So here in this video, I have created this workflow where we are going to send the messages and the follow-up messages to all the leads which we have captured from contact form 7, and we are going to test this workflow once whether it is working fine or not. After I do this form submission, I am going to receive one message and not the follow-up message, as I have added the step of delay for 2 days. So I will be receiving that message after 2 days. So we are going to do this form submission and I am going to enter some dummy details in this form. So my name is new user, my email address is new@pabblytudes.com, and then I'm going to enter my phone number. I'm going to click on this submit, and as soon as the form submission has been done, I'm going to receive a WhatsApp message. So here I've done this form submission. I'm going to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received any message there or not. And here it is. I have received this personalized message. Hi new user, thank you for reaching out to us. We have received your details. Our team will get in touch shortly. Meantime, you can explore our latest collection here. So if I click on this link, I will be redirected towards the store. And then the next message will be a follow-up message which I am going to receive later after 2 days. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. So imagine this, a visitor fills out the contact form 7, but instead of the details getting lost in emails, they instantly receive a WhatsApp message, a follow-up from you. So yes, no more delays, no more missed leads. With Pabbly Connect, you can automate the entire process from contact form 7 to WhatsApp follow-up. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the automation step by step so you can engage your leads faster, close more sales, and save hours of manual work. So you stay tuned till the end, because I'm going to demonstrate in front of you how you can automate your WhatsApp follow-ups, that too in a personalized way. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. Now before we sign into our Pabbly account, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect, access now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I need to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster, and more flexible one, and then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select this new beta, and then I'm going to name this workflow as send personalized WhatsApp follow-up messages automatically for contact form leads. And now I'm going to select my folder. These are the folders which have been created, and I'm going to select it as WhatsApp automations and then click on create. So here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I need to enter my trigger application. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Now here in this workflow, I want to send a follow-up message after the form submission in contact form 7, which means whenever there will be new form submission, I'm first going to send them the confirmation message, and then after a few days, I'm going to send them the follow-up message. So for that, in my trigger application, I'm going to take contact form 7, because whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission, this complete workflow here will get triggered. Because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. So here in my trigger application, I will be taking contact form 7, and then following this trigger application will be my action application, which is WhatsApp Cloud API, with the help of which I will be sending the messages, confirmation messages, and the follow follow-up messages. So here in my trigger application, first I'm going to take contact form 7. And in my trigger event, I'm going to select it as new form submission and then click on connect. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and contact form 7, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my contact form 7 with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to follow the help desk given below and build this connection, and for that I'm going to open this WordPress dashboard. Now contact form 7 is a plugin of WordPress and I have installed that from here. You can install this too, and once you activate this plugin which you have installed, it will start appearing over here. From here you have to go towards this contact forms. Now here, as soon as I open this, you will see there are forms which I have created. I am going to use this lead form. So I am going to open this by clicking on edit, and on the top I have all these options where I am going to click on this webhook. Now over here I have this option of webhook URL. So I am going to remove this webhook URL. I am going to go back towards my workflow, copy this webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect and paste that over here. And then if I scroll down, I have this option of save. So I am going to click on the save to save this. And then on the top right also I have this option of save. So we are going to click on the save to save this. Here you see contact form saved. We have successfully added the webhook URL which we were provided in Pabbly Connect to this particular contact form, and now I'm going to go back towards my workflow. Over here it is written waiting for webhook response. Now this means, so as to get a webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, and for that I'm going to open this contact form 7, the form where I have built the connection. If I open this form, you can see all the fields which are first name, last name, email, phone. I'm going to do the form submission, and if I receive that response here in this workflow, then this means the connection setup which we have just created is working completely fine. So for that, on the left hand side where you can see all these options, we are going to click on this pages. But before that, over here I have opened this form. You can see this contact form 7 ID equals this, title equals this. I am going to copy this ID, and now I'm going to click on this pages, go towards the all pages, and then in the search page I am going to paste the ID. I am simply going to click on the search pages, and here it is. This lead form has appeared in front of me. This is the lead form. So I am going to click on this view now, and this page or the form has opened in front of me. Your first name, your last name, your email and the phone number. So this is the same exact form. I'm going to enter some dummy details in all these fields, and I'm going to do this form submission. After this form submission has been done, I should capture the response in this workflow. I'm going to enter my email address as tummy@pabblytudes.com, and then I'm going to enter my phone number as. So here I have entered all the details. Now I'm going to click on this submit, and let's wait for this form submission. Here, thank you for your message. It has been sent. I'm quickly going to open my workflow, and 7 seconds ago I have received the response, which means as soon as I have done this form submission. This means the connection setup which we have created between Pabbly Connect and contact form 7, that is successful, and now whenever there will be new form submission, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new form submission, I want to send them the confirmation message and the follow-up message. For that, I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application, I'm going to search for WhatsApp Cloud API. In my action event, I'm going to select it as send template message and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and now to make this connection, we have to enter the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So to get these details, over here I am provided a hyperlink. I am going to open this and I will be redirected towards the forum page of Pabbly. If I scroll down, I am provided with 2 video tutorials which I can watch and get these details. So now to get these details, I am going to open Meta for developers, and you can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. After landing towards this page, you can see my apps on the top right corner. So we are going to open this, and I have created the application which I am going to open, and it has taken me towards this app dashboard. Now on the left hand side where I can see all these options, so I'm going to click on this WhatsApp and then click on this API setup. So here I've landed towards this API setup. I have this access token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. Now to get this access token, I'm simply going to click on this generate access token, and then I'm going to reconnect with my Facebook. And a temporary access token will be provided to me, and here it is. I'm going to simply copy and paste all these details to my Pabbly Connect field. Now after adding all these details, I'm simply going to save this, and you will see WhatsApp Cloud API will be connected to Pabbly Connect. And now I have to enter all these details. So first one is that I'm going to enter the phone number. Now to get this phone number, I'm simply going to click on this contact form 7, and then I'm going to map the phone number. Over here, I have not entered my phone number like this manually. Instead, I have mapped this simply by clicking on the response which I have received from contact form 7 and clicking on that particular phone number. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now over here you can see that I have to enter the phone number in this format, which means plus with the country code. So I am going to add +91 in front of this phone number because I have not received that. While receiving the response, please make sure that you add this +91 to your form so that whenever someone is filling the form, the country code is added to that. So I am going to enter that over here. So here I have manually entered this for now. Now I'm going to enter this template ID. To get this template ID, I'll go back towards my API setup, and under this step 2, I have this create your own template hyperlink. I'm going to open this, and it will take me towards message templates page. Now after this, you will see all the templates which I have created, and now to create a new template, you simply need to click on this create template. You have to select your template. I'm going to select it as default, then click on this next, and then I will be landed towards the page from where we are going to start creating this template. I'm going to first name this template to testing, and then I'm going to select the type of variable as number. And if you want to send the media sample, you can select according to your choice and preference whatever you are sending me, image, video, audio or document. And then we have this header. Now if you want to enter the header message, you can do that, and in this template preview you can see how it is going to appear. The body of the message is the main part, so I'm going to enter hello, and then I'm going to add the custom variable. So over here you see that I have selected a type of variable as number, so I have entered that. Now this custom variable will change whenever you are going to get the new response, and with the help of this custom variable itself, we can create the custom template. I'm going to add the value to this custom variable, and you can add as many as custom variables as you want. Now here you see hello demo. I have added the custom variable for the name of the user, and whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission, this custom variable is going to get replaced with the name of that person. You can add the phone number or the other contact details like the product name or whatever custom variable you want to create that for. So you can add this custom variable and then add the value to that. If you want to enter any footer text, you can do that or provide the link. It will start appearing over here. Then we have this buttons where you can add the quick reply button, visit website, call on WhatsApp, call phone number, copy offer code. After all these steps are over and you have selected your language, you simply need to click on the submit for review, and then after your template has been reviewed, you can use this template to your workflow. I have already created a template which I'm going to open it for you. So here I have created two templates. One is for whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission, I'm immediately going to send them the message, and the other is I'm going to delay this workflow and then I'm going to send a follow-up message. So I have created two templates. One for the follow-up, other for the immediate confirmations. So hi demo, thank you for reaching out to us. We have received your details. Our team will get in touch with you shortly. In the meantime, you can explore our latest collection here, and then have added the link. So the name of this template is contact form 7. I am going to select contact form 7 from this template ID. I am going to enter my language code as EN, and then I'm going to refresh this. You see that as soon as I've selected the template ID, the template name has been added here. Now in this template has header? No. If the template does not has this header, I'm going to toggle on this header type and remove this. I'm going to keep this field empty, and then these fields are not required one. We simply need to send the template, so I'm going to skip all of these fields. The template has body, yes, and then I'm going to add the value to the variable. I have added a custom variable over here which is for the name of the lead. So I'm going to go back towards my workflow, click on this contact form 7 and enter the name of the lead. Then the template has button? No. So if the template does not has this button, these fields are also not required one. Now over here I have added a dummy phone number, so I'm going to remove this phone number and enter my own phone number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message when I'm going to execute this workflow. So now after entering all these details, I'm simply going to click on save and send test request, and let's wait for the response. So here I have received this response. This response is a positive one. Now let me open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received any message there or not. And here it is, I have received this message. Hi dummy user, thank you for reaching out to us. We have received your details. Our team will get in touch with you shortly. In meal time, you can explore our latest collection here. So if I click on this link, I will be redirected towards the store. So this is the message which I have received. Now I'm going to send the follow-up. I'll go back towards my workflow. I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application I'll search for delay by Pabbly, and with the help of this feature I'm going to delay this workflow to run after some days. So I'm going to click on this add time delay and then click on connect. So do you want to delay for until or after queue? I'm going to select it as delay for. So you want to delay for minutes, hours, days or weeks. I'm going to select it as days. I'm going to enter the value as 2. So this workflow has been delayed for 2 days. First the confirmation message will be sent, and after 2 days the follow-up message will be sent. So now I'm going to click on the save and send test request, and here we have received the response. This workflow has been delayed for 2 days. Now I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application I'll search for WhatsApp Cloud API again. In my action event I'm going to select it as send template message and then click on connect. Now over here, as I have already an existing connection, I am going to save this, and here WhatsApp Cloud API is connected. I will be entering my own phone number. I am going to select the template ID as contact form follow-up. I'll go back towards the templates which I have created, and I have created another template for the follow-up message. So this is the template which I have created, contact form follow-up. Let's open this. So this is the template which I have created. Hi demo, our team has already reached out to you regarding a product and service. If you missed our call, you can contact us directly at this number. We'd be happy to assist you and answer any questions. So I'm going to use this template. I'm going to select the template ID as contact form follow-up. I'm going to enter the language code as EN. I'm going to refresh this and you will see the template name will change. The template has header? No. So if it does not has this header, I'm going to remove and toggle on this header type and then keep this field empty. These fields again are not required one. The template has body? Yes. After this, I am going to enter the name which I have received from my contact form 7 response. The template has button? No. So the rest of the fields are also not required one. I am going to enter my number. Now after entering all these details, I am simply going to click on save and send test request. And here I have received the response. This response is a positive one. I am going to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received the follow-up message or not. And here it is. I have received this follow-up message. Now as I have executed this workflow, I have received the response here. But this message will be delayed for 2 days. And after 2 days, I am going to receive this message. So now to summarize, we took contact form 7 as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new form submission, and then we wanted to send the confirmation message. After that, we added this delay to delay this workflow to run after 2 days, and then I have sent the follow-up message using this WhatsApp Cloud API. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between this contact form 7 and WhatsApp Cloud API with the help of Pabbly Connect. I have attached the link to this workflow in the description so that you can check this out, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. So if you have any doubts, you can comment down the video below. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching.